Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone, welcome to London View Cafe. Today we are delighted to share some precious moments captured during the 60th birthday celebration of a truly remarkable lady, Santhi Akka. She has been far more than a neighbor and dear friend to our family. To my son, she has been like a second mother, and over the past 3 decades, she has played countless roles in our lives. A caring guide, a trusted friend, a source of strength, and a constant presence through both our happiest moments and our most challenging times. Where you have led your life through every challenge and obstacle with grace, courage, and determination has been truly inspiring. Your strength, resilience, and positive spirit has touched not only my life, but also the lives of everyone who had the privilege of knowing you. You have shown us the true meaning of kindness, perseverance, and unconditional support. We are deeply grateful for your love, friendship, and unwavering presence throughout the years. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. May this special milestone be filled with joy, good health, happiness, and countless blessings. May the years ahead bring even more wonderful memories, cherished moments, and reason to celebrate. Come along, we relive the highlights of this beautiful and memorable occasion. Thank you. சாந்தி அக்காவுக்கு எங்களுடைய அன்பான பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். நன்றி.
சிலுவென்று சிந்துதம்மா தூரல் முத்தத்தூரல் விங்காட்டு பக்கக்களி சட்டென்று முட்டவிட சிங்காட்டு சில்லி செடி சில்லென்று பூவெடுக்க தென்மேற்கு பருவக்காற்று தேனி பக்கம் வீசும்போது